Good morning children, Sharnishnati. Let's solve next problem from exercise 6.5. Fourth one. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? In case of right angled triangles, identify the right angles. Here in the given questions, which are right angled triangle? First we have to identify children. If it is a right angled triangle, which side is the right angle? We have to find. Okay. First one. 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, 6 centimeter means three sides of a triangle they had given. Let A is equal to means the given values we will consider it as A, B and C. Okay. We know that according to Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Which two numbers are smaller? First those two squares we will do. Equal to we will put and we will write the bigger one. Okay. Means 2.5. It is A is small, C is also small number. This is bigger number, is it? It is greater than the given two numbers. Then A square plus C square is equal to B square. A square means 2.5. A means 2.5 natural. Then C is equal to 6. It is 6 square which is equal to B means 6.5 square. 2.5 whole square is equal to 6.25 plus 6 square is 36 and 6.5 square is 42.25. When you add these two children, it is a whole number, means 36.00 you should take and 6.25. While adding, okay, then you will get 5, 2, 12, 4 means 42.25 is equal to 42.25. LHS is equal to RHS it has become. Then definitely it is a right angled triangle. Thus the given sides form a right angled triangle. And the right angle is opposite to side of length 6.5 centimeter, which is bigger children. For this bigger side, opposite angle will be the right angle. Okay. Next one, 2 centimeter. Again 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. The given solution: A is equal to 2 centimeter, B is equal to 2 centimeter, and C is equal to 5 centimeter. Which two small values are there? First, those two squares will be equal to the bigger number square. Okay. A square plus B square is equal to C square. 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 5 square. 2 2s are 4 children, 2 2s are 4 which is equal to 5 5s are 25. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 which is not equal to 25. Means LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore the given sides cannot form a right angled triangle. Okay. Next one, 1.5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. A is equal to 1.5, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 2.5. Let us consider. Here 1.5, 2. These two are smaller values and 2.5 is little bigger than that. Then A square plus B square is equal to C square. We can write 1.5 square, 2 square is equal to 2.5 square. 1.5 square is 2.25 children. Then 2 2s are 4. 2.5 square is 6.25. When you add these two, you will get 6.25. Which is equal to 6.25 already. LHS is equal to RHS it has become. Therefore, the given sides form a right angled triangle and the right angle is opposite to the side of the length 2.5 centimeter. Next question children. A tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Children, observe here, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter, means 5 meter afterwards, up to here it is there and remaining part it has broken. Up to A dash it will be 12 meter, the given means, and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter. Okay, it will be 12 meter beyond that. Then, find the original height of the tree. We have to find this length, okay. Original height of the tree means 5 plus means BC plus CA will be the original height of the tree children. Then we have to find first this CA dash. This A only here. Same with if I consider you may confuse, I have to A dash. Okay. Let ACB be the tree before it's broken at the point C. ACB is the tree children before it has broken. And let its top A touch the ground at A dash after it's broken. Okay, after broken. Okay. Then triangle A dash BC is a right angled triangle. A dash BC is a right angled triangle. Okay. If you consider it as right angled triangle, right angle at B such that A dash B is equal to 12 meter will become BC is equal to 5 meter. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus A dash C square is equal to A dash B square plus BC square. The values what you know already, you substitute children. 12 square plus 5 square. 12 square is 144, 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25 gives 169. Means A dash C square is equal to 169. Square you transpose root, it will become A dash C is equal to square root of 169. Then A dash C is equal to 13. Square root of 169 is equal to 13. A dash C means children AC only we can consider, which is equal to 13 meter. Therefore, AB distance we want children. AB means AC plus BC. Okay. AB is equal to AC plus BC. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5 is 18 meter. Therefore, original height of the tree is 18 meter. Next question children. Angles Q and R of a triangle PQR are 25 degree and 65 degree. Write which of the following is true. PQ square plus QR square is equal to RP square. PQ square plus RP square is equal to QR square. RP square plus QR square is equal to PQ square. In these three, only one will be true children. Which one it is, we have to identify. By angles and property of a triangle, P plus Q plus R is equal to 180 degree. Because sum of all the interior angles of a triangle will be equal to 180 degree. They given two angles already. Let us substitute. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 written. The value of Q and R you substitute children. Angle P plus 25 degree plus 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. Add these two, we will get 90 degree. Angle P plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Transpose 90 to the right hand side. 180 minus 90 gives 90 degree. Therefore, angle P is 90 degree you got. Therefore, triangle PQR is a right triangle, right angle at P. Here it will be right angle children, okay. If it is right angle, its opposite will be the hypotenuse. Then QR square should be equal to PR square plus PQ square, is it? Then in this QR square where it is, that will be our answer. By Pythagoras theorem, PQ square plus RP square is equal to QR square. And thus second one is true. Next one. Find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 cm and the diagonal is 41 cm. They give a rectangle, length children and diagonal of it. We have to find this breadth and also complete perimeter of this rectangle. Given length of rectangle is equal to 40 cm, diagonal is equal to 41 cm, breadth and perimeter we have to find. Consider triangle ABC. ABC if you consider children, AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay. AC means children 41 square which is equal to 40 square plus BC square. 41 square is 1681 which is equal to 40 square is 1600 plus BC square. If you transpose to the left hand side, it will become minus 1681 minus 1600 is equal to BC square. After subtraction, you will get 81 which is equal to BC square. The square transpose, square root of 81 is equal to BC. Square root of 81 is 9. 9 is equal to BC. Therefore, BC is equal to 9 cm. That is, breadth of a rectangle is 9 cm. Then, we know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. That is 2 into L plus B. 2 into length they given 40. Breadth you got just now 9. Is it? Then 2 into 40 plus 9 is 49. 2 into 49 gives 98 cm. Therefore, perimeter of the rectangle is 98 cm. Next question children. The diagonals of the rhombus measure 16 cm and 30 cm. Find its perimeter. Children, rhombus will have all the sides equal. Here diagonals they given, not any side, okay. AC is equal to 16 and BD is equal to 30 cm I considered. These diagonals will bisect each other exactly at right angles, okay. If it bisects children, exactly these two lengths should be equal. Where it intersected, I considered it as O. OA is equal to OC and OD is equal to OB will become. Let us consider half of AC and half of BD. Means half if you done, you will get OA length and OB. It will become a triangle. Easily we can find the length of the rhombus. Okay. Solution. Let ABCD be the rhombus and AC and BD are its diagonals. Given AC is equal to 16 cm, BD is equal to 30 cm. We know that the diagonals of the rhombus bisect each other at right angles. Then OA is equal to half AC. This OA will be equal equal to half of AC. Okay. Then OA is equal to half into AC value is 16. We consider 2 ones are 2 8 is 16. If you strike out, OA is equal to 8 centimeters will become. Then OB is equal to, this OB is equal to children half of BD. Okay. Half BD, half into 30. 2 ones are 2, 2 into 15 means 15 2s are 30 na children. Then OB is equal to 15 centimeter you got. In triangle AOB, if you consider only this much children, AOB, in triangle AOB, by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square will be equal to OA square plus OB square. Okay. AB square is equal to OA you got 8, OB you got as 15, 8 square is 64, 15 square is 225. 64 plus 225 gives 289. AB square is equal to 289. Square root transpose, it will become square root of 289. Then AB is equal to 17 centimeter. Okay, you got already AB means one side you got. Okay. In rhombus all the sides will be equal means 4 times addition. We can consider it as 4 into side also. We know that perimeter of rhombus is equal to 4 into side. 4 into 17. 4 into 17 gives 68 centimeter. Thank you.